Have you heard of these Snore No More pillows? They position your head and throat just so that snoring is reduced or eliminated. Not a bad day's work for a pillow, huh? Don't you owe it to your spouse to find out about these Snore No More pillows? If you think so, just check out the new post on my site about it. Feel free to post your questions there or here, and just click the link in the description to learn more. Talk to you soon. Also, for other health-related information, be sure and check out the rest of the site. I have all kinds of information about health news. There's health articles on everything from, how to take care of your hair and your skin, all the way down to all kinds of stuff that you may be interested in. Snoring in particular, getting rest, sleep apnea. There's all kinds of information that you can grab while you're there. Be sure and check it out. Also, visit us on Facebook, Twitter, and Google Plus, and obviously on YouTube. Since you saw this video, we're on YouTube. We've got a lot to offer and a lot of information. My name is Carrie Poole, and I really appreciate the opportunity to meet you if this is your first time meeting me. So you guys take care. Bye.